50 quid for this and 150 for that.
All right, 150. Done. Deal.
Done.
Right.
A small discount? That's not like Tim. Perhaps he's got something else in mind, like an afternoon swanning about in a fully finished Volvo, perhaps.
I hear that they are a real pig, a real dog to drive. I hear they're back end happy.
Do you want to go in one?
Can do.
Go on, sorry, let's go.
Come on then.
Come on.
Yes, there had to be one little sweetener. A free go in a P1800. Don't tell Fuzz.
It really is a beautiful car. I mean, I get the impression that they're not a performance car.
And they're more of a cruiser,
Right.
especially you overdrive on fourth, into fifth. I'd say mechanically easy, very strong, reliable, safe car.
Typical Volvo.
Yeah, typical Volvo.
Sounds awesome, actually, doesn't it?
Yeah.
No, I love it, yeah.
Styled by Swedish boat designer Pelle Pettersson, the P1800 is now considered to be one of the most striking cars from the 1960s and early 70s. It was in production for 11 years, continually increasing in engine power with every new model. And for a Volvo, its manufacture was surprisingly international, with a Swedish engine and gearbox, an American rear axle, and for the first few years, a body shell made in Scotland and assembled in England.
It's so weird driving this particular car right around here when, if you skip back, what, something like 50 years, they would have been filming the same right here with Roger Moore. Yeah. Sir Roger. If you had to sum these cars up in a few words, what would you say about them?
Just one word, I'd say, it's style, really. It's just stylish.
That's that good. It's putting a big smile on your face.
Yeah.
It's a cool car.
Exactly, it's a cool car.
The styling is fantastic, isn't it? The clocks are pretty 50s in appearance, aren't they?
Yeah, they're cool. I think that's the best part of the car.
Absolutely, yeah. And it feels like the kind of car that, you know what, if you've got yourself 20 grand in the bank and you're thinking, right, I want a classic car that's going to turn heads, a reliable classic car, one that is going to be fairly safe and fairly solid to drive and robust. It feels like the only place you could really put your money.
Yeah, exactly.
Volvo boldly left their boxy four-door comfort zone and did so in style. The ultimate accolade being chosen by Roger Moore himself as his on-screen motor in the 60s cult classic series, The Saint.
Let's make it hard.
Check this out a bit. If we get Sir Roger Moore to touch this car.
Yeah, imagine that, yeah. Yeah.
Touched by Sir Roger Moore.
Yeah, of course it'd be great, but that's just not going to happen.
Makes it a Saint car. An evening with Sir Roger Moore. So he's on tour. Right, now I've just got to work out where.
This is the poshest hotel in the area. Can I help you?
I've got one main reason that I've come. The P1800 that we're doing up it was the Saint car in the sense that it's the same model, but it has no connection to Sir Roger Moore. But I'm here with you now, and I have actually bought, if you look down to your right now, you might recognise that.
Where's the rest of it?
Up in the West Midlands, being worked on at the moment. But I was just wondering if you might be able to possibly, just to give it that connection, could you sign it?
I'll sign it.
This is just the most surreal goosebump moment for me ever. This is amazing.